Hi everyone. So today basically we are going to extend our lecture on Excel. So what we are going to do today we are going to discuss some more basic things of Excel. So today I'm going to discuss about the mathematical formulas in detail that you can use on Excel. Before that, I would like to say my channel is Remote Tallies Exposure. If you like my previous video, that was the first one, then please like, share, and subscribe. And like, share, and subscribe for the today's video as well. Let's start. So today we are going to discuss about the mathematical formulas as I mentioned earlier. Before starting that, I would like to touch up with some basic things of Excel. Like suppose you can see I am writing one over here and then two. So if you want to write so many numbers, you don't need to write again and again. What you can do, you just select first two, and then you can see this cursor plus it becomes the black one. When this one, then you can drag simply, and then you can extend it to the number you want to write, as you can see. If you want the same number again and again, then what you have to do simply, you have to write only once and then you can drag simply. The same thing you can apply for the days of the week as well. Sunday, Monday, and if you don't want to write again and again, you can simply drag. So these are the things that you can do on Excel. Excel is basically going to make your work easy. Same thing you can do for your months as well. Like you want to write the months. So what you have to do? You have to simply drag up to which you want. Okay. So this way you can do. Oh, sorry. Actually, I have selected the first two one. That's why it's showing. Sorry. There is. Sorry. This thing. Actually, you have to be correct. Then you can apply the formula in the right way. Now you can see. Yeah. Okay. So these things you can do basically on your Excel sheet with ease. So I can cut all these things. I just want to give an overview. That's it. So firstly, I will go with the this one, that is absolute. This one is basically used for making the negative number positive. As you know very well, if there is -1 and -1, and if I multiply these two, that will become +1. So this is the role of absolute. Like I am having -1, 2, it doesn't change any positive number, it just works for changing the negative number into positive. If you want to use this formula, what you have to do, you have to simply write the formula first. It's abbreviated as ABS actually. And after writing the formula, you have to select the number and then close the bracket and then enter. So negative became positive, you can see. The same thing you can apply over here, equal to formula ABS and then the number, bracket close and enter. So if you want to do it for so many numbers, you don't need to do it one by one. You can simply drag, as I did earlier, plus sign over here. You can drag it. It means you are copying the formula from one cell to other cell. So you can see -3 became +3. How? There the formula applied. -4 become +4. How? The formula is applied over here. So the absolute is basically is equal to ABS and the number for which you want to find the absolute. Okay, so the next one is exponential. In it, what you have to do, it is something like it's denoted as e raised to power x. Okay, give me just 1 second. I would like to do it for you so that it become power. Yeah. So e raised to power x, it is denoted by this one. Like if you want e raised to power 5, e raised to power 6. So for this one, it's find out the value. Like I want to find the value. So firstly you have to write the formula, that is exp, and then 2, and then close the bracket, this one. So exponential 2 is 7.3. Exponential 3, 4, 5, whatsoever you want to find out, you can do easily by putting the formula. The next one is square root. Square root, you know very well, like the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so this kind of thing you can do, like is equal to square root, so it's abbreviated as sqrt. Like if you want the square root of 2 to 5, that will be 15, I guess, so it will show 15. So first what you have to do, firstly equal, then you have to abbreviate a formula, you have to write over here square root, and then you have to write, suppose 200, and enter. So that is the square root of 200. So in this way you can do. Okay, the next one is logarithm. So you know very well the log value, like 10, 2, and you want to find out, uh, give me 1 second. Suppose we have 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so sorry, suppose we have 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so what we have to do in log, we need two things, one is base and the other is power. Okay, so one is number and other is power. The power is basically is the base. Okay, so you have to use this one. So what we write, if you remember, we write like, if there is a power is 2 and the number is 10, we can write 2 log 10, right? So in this way, here also it asks for, when you apply the formula log, it asks for the number. Suppose the number is 10. Over here, this is the number, and it asks for the base as well, that is your power, that is 2. So you have to mention these two things when you applying the formula in Excel for finding the log. So that is 3.3219 something. Okay. And if you want factorial, factorial is something like, if you remember, we find out the factorial of 5 in maths simply by 5 up to 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the most important, equal. Okay, so we do it in this way, like if you want to find out the factorial of 5, that will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 multiplication, that will be 120. The same thing we can use with the formula as well, that is abbreviated as FACT, and then the number, suppose here we have taken 5, so we will apply the same thing to match the result, so that is 120. So factorial is like to finding out up to the end. And the next one is LCM. So this one that is used in this way, sorry, we will select the formula, and then we will take 20, 50, two numbers. Suppose we want to find the least common factor between these two, so that will be 100. Okay, the next one is pi. How we will calculate it is equal to this one, so that is the value of pi. And if we want to take the sum of number, then what we have to do is equal to sum. Suppose this one, this one, this one, this one, I want to take the sum of all of them, then it will be 226. Suppose I want to take the sum of 2 plus 2, I can do this way as well, is equal to this. Okay, if I use the formula, suppose this one 2 and 2, that is also 4. So you can do anyway. The same thing is equal to, if you want to multiply, as I use over there as well. So I will do it for you one more time. This into this is equal to this one. If you want to subtract, is equal to simply this minus this. So you can do this way. Okay. So these all are the functions that you can apply in Excel for making your work easy. Okay, so all these things you can do on Excel, and the rest of the thing we will discuss in the next video. So till now, this one only for you. Okay, So thank you so much for having a look at my video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below in the comment section about my video. And if you want to have some suggestion for me, like if you want any particular video for your mathematics, accounting, or your Excel, you can comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.